Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in fun, innovative gadgets. Today, we're talking about the Chug-in Plug V2, the best plug-it and chug-it tool for beer lovers and party enthusiasts alike. If you're someone who loves to shotgun a beer at a party, barbecue, or even a casual hangout, then this portable shotgun tool is the game changer you never knew you needed. This tool is unique because it's a keychain, meaning you can take it with you anywhere, at the bar, on a road trip, or even to your backyard barbecue. Imagine being able to chug your favorite beer in just a few seconds, without fumbling around with a can or bottle. The Chug-in Plug V2 fastens securely into place, allowing you to pop, lock, and chug your beer with ease. And it's not just practical, it's also versatile. The tool comes in a fun 4-pack with colors like red, yellow, green, and black, so you can share the fun with your friends. Whether you're at a party or simply hanging out, the Chug-in Plug makes you the life of the event. It's the perfect stocking stuffer or gift for anyone who enjoys a good time. Now, don't worry about carrying around something bulky either. The Chug-in Plug is compact and lightweight, so it's always there when you need it. Plus, its removable design makes it super easy to use, ensuring you're always ready to join in on the shotgun action. Whether you're looking to elevate your beer drinking experience or just want a cool and functional keychain that sparks conversation, the Chug-in Plug V2 is the ultimate tool. Get yours today and take your chugging game to the next level. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the coolest gadgets around. See you next time on Product Critique.